Kelep Waterfall is widely considered the most beautiful waterfall on Lombok Island. Located in Senaru village at the foot of the majestic Mount Rinjani, this waterfall offers an unforgettable natural experience. Kelep Waterfall for those seeking a true adventure. A further 45-minute trek through the forest leads to the spectacular Kelep T. The journey involves crossing a shallow river and walking along narrow paths, but the reward is unforgettable. Kelep is often cited as the most beautiful waterfall in Lombok. The water thunders down from a height of 45 meters, creating a massive curtain effect as it hits the turquoise pool below. In the local Sasak language, Tiu means pool and Kelep means flying, referring to the mist and rainbows that often dance in the air.